Good morning all of you. My name is Aditi Roy and I am a student of class 9 from Aryavart Central School. First of all, I would like to thank our teachers who gave me the opportunity to present myself, and today I am going to represent my presentation and my topic is digestive system. The first question that I ask from you that is, do you know when we eat food, how does we get energy from food? The first question that arises in your mind from listening the word digestive system is, what is digestion? The process of converting food into simpler substances that can be absorbed by a body, thus is called digestion. And the system that perform these activities is called digestive system. This is the diagram of digestive system. You can look here. This is the mouth. This is the mouth. It is the starting point of digestive system. It is the beginning of digestive system from which we eat food. It is the main point. The salivary gland, it produces saliva that helps us to break down the food into simpler substances. Teeth also play a very important role in our digestive system. It is not the organ associated with it, but it is important because it is the only organ that break down the food, complex food, into small pieces. The next is esophagus. It is the hollow-like pipe from which the food is Esophagus. It is a hole-like pipe through which the food is passing from mouth to stomach. This is stomach. Stomach is the J-shaped like structure in which the acid and enzymes are mixing. This is also known as mixing chamber. The next is liver. Liver play an important role because this is the gallbladder where the bile juice, which helps in the breakdown of fats, is useful. The next is pancreas. Pancreas also produce pancreatic juice, which also helps in digestion. The next is large intestine. Large intestine is this also play an important role in assimilation of digestion. This is small intestine. Small intestine is also helpful in the absorptions of nutrients. When the food is break down, then it absorbs the nutrition. The next is rectum. Rectum is the place where the undigested food is stored, and the anus, it is the organ from which the undigested food is passed away. Now I will tell you the stages of digestive system. The first is ingestion. Receiving of food from mouth is called ingestion. The next is propulsion. The movement of food from esophagus, this is called propulsion. The next is digestion. That take place mainly in stomach, but it is a myth. It starts from at the mouth. The next is absorption. It is take place by small intestine, and the last process is excretion, the removal of waste product. This is called excretion. Now I will tell you the working of digestive system. First of all, we eat food from our mouth, the complex food, just like eat. Our teeth break down it into simpler substances, but it cannot be absorbed directly by our body. Now it goes from esophagus, and next destination is stomach. In stomach, it is also known as mixing chamber because here the main acid is available, that is hydrochloric acid. Here is also enzymes are available, that is pepsin and mucus. Hydrochloric acid is very dangerous, so you can think that how can our stomach is protected from it. This is because of mucus. Mucus is the enzyme that present on the lining of stomach and protect it from the hydrochloric acid. Pepsin is an enzyme that break down the fats especially into smaller substance so that it can be absorbed by our human body. Now the food is come in the small intestine. Here the villi, this projection like figure is available that absorb the nutrition that is also digested by our body. It is the main digestive center because not other organism can absorb this nutrition. Only small intestine has the villi-like structure that absorb the nutrition. The undigested food that is not cannot be absorbed by our body is goes to the large intestine, and the large intestine pass it to the rectum. Here the undigested food, that is waste product, is stored and from anus it is passed away. Today most of the peoples are suffering from digestive issues, so I give some tips from him too, that he should drink plenty of water because it helps in digestion. They should chew the food properly because they get the nutritious food. They should also eat balanced food. Thanks. I will meet you with a new presentation with a new interesting topic. Thanks.